Periwinkle flower plant is popular because of its beauty and also its herbal medicine value. Flower and roots of this plant are used to prevent diabetes, blood pressure, bone acne, and also most of the part of this plant are used as medicine for cancer. In this video, I will show you a complete guide about how you can grow periwinkle or vincarosia plant on your garden or on a rooftop. In general, this flower plant is also popular vincarosia periwinkle or Madagascar plant. Generally, if you want to plant a periwinkle plant on your garden or on a container, then you have to follow some steps to get a proper result from this flower plant. When you are going to plant this flower on a container, then at first you have to prepare the soil for this plant. To prepare a perfect mixture of soil for periwinkle, you have to mix up 60% of garden soil, 20% of organic compost and 20% of cocopeat. On other hand, if you don't want to use cocopeat, then you can use construction sand as a replacement of cocopeat. After preparing the mixture, you can add a single teaspoon of NPK fertilizer for a good growth. Then your soil preparation will almost done. On other hand, if you want to plant this periwinkle on your garden or a open space area, then you have to follow a different rule. To prepare the peat for a periwinkle, you have to mix up 4 to 5 kilograms of organic compost. You may use vermicompost or any other compost to plant this seedling of Madagascar plant. So after preparing a peat, you have to wait for at least 5 to 10 days, then you can plant your seedling of periwinkle on this peat. After planting a periwinkle plant, either you plant it on a container or on a open area, the next step you have to follow is to ensure a proper sunlight. This plant really loves sunlight, and sunlight is directly make effect on the blooming rate of this plant. If you provide a good amount of sunlight, the blooming rate of periwinkle will be much more higher. On other hand, if you plant them on a shadow area, then it may cause of low flowering on your plant. In general, basically 4 to 6 hours sunlight is at least necessary for this plant. Now let's talk about the water need of this periwinkle plant. Periwinkle like water, but you don't need to give it too much. Just moist the soil properly in regular basis, and just a single time watering in a day is proper for them. After proper watering and a proper sunlight ensuring, the next step of this plant care is their fertilization. If you don't want to give any fertilizer on your plant will get survive, because this periwinkle is really a hard plant. You don't need to get too much hyper for them, but if you want a great result from them, then you have to provide a little bit of fertilizer in an interval of 15 to 20 days. In every 15 to 20 days, you can provide a little bit of liquid fertilizer. To prepare a liquid fertilizer, just mix up 100 grams of organic compost with 2 liters of water, then give it in an interval of every 15 days, and your plant will much more healthier for all time, and they will continuously blooming flower on every season and on every climate. So thanks for seeing the full video. if you want to get more information about these types of rooftop farming or container farming, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get new video notification quickly. Thanks for watching the full video.